Hey, it's Michael, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Halo X Torchiere LED floor lamp. This has 56 LEDs in it. It's warm white, 3000K color temperature. Let's take a look at the box and see what this thing is all about. All right, here we go. Let's see what we have in here. I've got the perfect spot for this in my condo, and I'll show you that in just a moment. So here is the head. This has 56 LEDs on it, and the CRI, or the color index, is 82. And there is a very interesting feature of this light. It does have a 30-minute timer on it. You can activate or deactivate that by a long press on the power button. Looks like they have the power adapter stuck in there. So I already looked at the specs. So this power adapter is 100, 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, which is good news. If you're in a European country, that means you'll be able to use this internationally. Very cool. All right. One more layer down, and now we have, these are the pole sections. Now this lamp stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, fully extended. I shouldn't say extended because it's not adjustable, but once it's all put together. And these don't have wires running through them, which is a really big deal. It makes the putting together of this much easier. You don't have to worry about threading a wire. Very cool. I like that concept a lot. So there's 4 of these. And then finally, this is the base. Now the base is about 9 inches in diameter, and the head is about 8.66 inches in diameter. This isn't super heavy, but on the other hand, the light isn't super heavy either. And it does have kind of cool pads on the bottom here so it won't scratch your wood floor. So let's get this thing all put together and I'll be right back. This pole is the one that has the touch controls on it. Now, I believe this has 5 levels of brightness. So these simply screw together. So the one with the hole at the bottom is the where the power adapter gets plugged into. So that would be the very bottom one that you want to screw in. And then we'll attach the base. Attach the head. And then there's a knurled part here, so once you get the angle of your head where you want it, then you can just tighten it down and it'll stay in that position. So there's the dark corner of my room that I would like to have some more light. Right now it's daylight, so I have quite a bit of light coming in here through the windows, but normally that corner there is a little dark, and this light is going to be perfect for lighting up that space. Let me plug this into the back, and AC adapter, and there it goes. Now what I like about this is the top does pivot, so I can actually direct the light right into the corner, or I can just have it go straight up. And the other thing that's really nice about this is it's 5 feet 11 inches tall. I'm 6'2", so my eyes are hitting it right on the edge here. I don't actually see the LEDs, and anyone a little bit shorter, you're not going to be bothered by that. And you can tip this a little bit if you've got a super tall guy. You got a NBA friend, for instance. He's about 8 feet tall. You can adjust that a little bit. And then as far as the controls, they're right on the side here. We turn it off or on. It's instantaneous. There is a very nice colored indicator behind the button, so if the room were dark, you'd have this little light glowing. And then you just touch this to change the light level. So that's the lowest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 levels. And let's see if it retains the level that you turn it off on. So it's at the lowest level. Turn it back on, it's at the lowest level. So I have to say this is extremely attractive light. I like this a lot. Very cool light, and I just love the clean, contemporary design, minimalist, and highly rate this. We'll just see how it holds up in the long term, but right off the bat here, I'm pretty impressed with this light. Now, it uses up to 30 watts. 30 watts will be the maximum amount of power that this will use. Again, it's 3000K. That's considered a warm white. It's also available in a daylight version, which is 5100K. That's not this one. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you would. I do appreciate it. Have a great week.